Papa! Oi! 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 What? Is he walking? Go.
Today. Was it nice? Oh no, it was freezing.
Get off me.
Pardon? Freezing? Yeah. Why did you go in the sea? I don't know. Elfie said it was walk sleeping.
Yeah.
I remember nothing about that. What, you just woke up where? On the woman's sea. Now stop that!
Stop what?
Stop that! This is a lovely that's hurting! What? It's away!
Got to say it to myself for once. Oh, I found it.
Hello.
Hello, who's this?
This is Shelley.
Who's Shelley?
You got my phone. I was here yesterday.
No, I don't remember you.
Is it a pink phone?
No, it's a red phone.
Oh, well, I'll be over later anyway. I need to see if that's my phone.
Okay. Okay then, bye. Coming back.
Who's coming back?
No one. Get up.
Stop that! No, get up!
No, I'm
Get
uncomfortable. Oh, Harold, did you want a new phone?
Oh, pardon?
Did you want a new phone?
Oh, I forgot a phone!
Do you want a new phone?
Yes, indeed!
I'll see you this way.
Can't believe you bring me back here again. Sorry, but I need my phone. They've got my phone. Oh, we have to go up these stupid stairs, making all this noise just to get my phone. Is it this one? Yeah, it looks like it. Trashy house.
Here, the door's opening. Ow!
Who's got the phone?
Excuse me!
Phone? Who's got the phone? Who's got the phone?
Excuse me, you can't barge in like that.
Who's got my phone?
Oh.
Have you got my phone?
No, I've got no phone.
Was it you? Have you got
No,
my
I've got no phone.
phone? Sit down. Just sit down.
No.
No. Who's got the phone?
No one has got it.
Right, I'm looking for it.
Excuse
That is
me
my
a minute.
ringtone.
Hold on, my new phone's ringing.
That's my phone. That's my ringtone.
Oh, I can't find it. I can't find it. Oh, my phone's home.
That's mine. Get off my phone. Let's go. We got the phone.
No, please, come back.
Oh, I'll see you two later
No,
then.
let go.
See you
No,
later.
come here, wait me, my phone.
Get off me.
Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. This is lovely stuff, isn't it? I'm gonna stop that. You put that magazine away.
Harold.
Alfie, can you
them two lovely babes that come in here.
Yeah.
I got them here. I was so good with girls. As have you had? I mean, boys, have you had?
Stop that! Behave! There's not a nice thing to say, is it?
There it is.
Help me! Help me!
Skin. I'm gonna sell off some skin. And some money. Trying to oppress the...
What are you doing?
I'm trying to oppress the local.
What local?
That one.
Oh, that one!
Yeah.
How's it going?
Oh. Well, how's the one?
Yes! This was a good holiday, wasn't it? Oh, yes, indeed! Yeah, what was your favourite part of the holiday? Was it you going in the sea? Oh no, it was freezing cold! Oh, was it? I thought it'd be warm in winter! No, cold! Yeah, what did you actually go in the sea for? I don't know. I must have been not thinking straight. Oh, Alfie told me you was wall sleeping. I don't remember wall sleeping. Nothing went wrong for me. I've only had a girl hitting me. It was very rude, wasn't it? Yes, it was. They were lovely girls, weren't they? Oh, yes, indeed. Yes, they were. So, what's been happening with my house? Have I still got it? Oh, yes, indeed. Have I? Yes. Good. Is it still the same? Have you been looking after TJ, right? Oh, yes. He told me you had to share a bed with him. Why's that? Oh, because I wasn't in enough bed for him. Hello. No, don't call me that, you naughty boy, Alfie.
Well, hold it.
You woke me up. Alfie, stop that. Oh, people are trying to sleep. Oh, Alfie, that hurts. Stop. Ew. Ew. You naughty boy! You naughty boy! Shut up! What's going on in here then? I'm hurt!
Haha, two blokes in a bed. I think there's something going wrong here. Oh, it's lovely.
Oh, what's that smell? Yuck! Oh, that's horrible food. It's disgusting. There. Oh, no, in fact, I don't toilet. Alfie!
Yeah?
What have you done in there, you naughty boy?
Had that crap.
No, don't say things like that. That is rude. Are you listening? Oh! That was a nice holiday, wasn't it?
No.